Hi guys, this is where I live. This is my home, Palm Beach Residency. This is supposed to be a waterfall जो कभी मैंने चलता हुआ देखा ही नहीं तो this is the entry point and this is the gate. This is gate number 2. So you have to walk up the ramp or get your car inside. So this is gate number 1 there in that corner. So gate number 2 and then end में आके there is a gate number 3 as well. So why I'm making this video is number 1 to motivate you, not to make you jealous. Please guys, I am 10 years senior to you. So don't feel jealous of me. This is what you will be doing. You will be doing better than this once you are reaching 10 years down the line, 8 years down the line. I uploaded these photos on Instagram as well. And in case you want to connect me on Instagram, I'll give the link in the description box. So one of the students asked me, sir, मैंने अभी MBA किया है from XYZ college. I'm getting a 10 lakh का package. When I can afford this thing? So there are two questions here. Number one, of course, to motivate you. Number one reason. Number two reason why I'm making this video to tell you when you can afford this thing. So this is the main entrance to the house. यार ये मुंबई का प्रॉब्लम है. You're not gonna get a कांच का घर नीचे, तुम्हें ऊपर मिलेगा. Yeah, 10th floor, 15th floor, 20th floor. This is the main curse of being a Mumbaiite, that you can't own a glass house. Yeah, which you can make maybe in Lucknow, in other cities you can do that. ठीक है. एंड इनफैक्ट माई फ्रेंड यूज्ड टू जोक मी एज वेल कि भाई हम दिल्ली वाले हैं, हमारी कार घर के अंदर पार्क होती है. मैं भैया हम बॉम्बे वाले हैं, हमारी कार घर से 1 किलोमीटर दूर पार्क होती है. सो दिस इज द एंट्री पॉइंट एंड देन यू हैव टू गो इनसाइड. So those who come to meet me for signing the check and all, I meet them here. So we have a lounge here, small lounge, so we can sit and walk there. So very good food. So that guy is earning a 10 lakh का package. So यार अगर तुम 10 लाख का पैकेज कमाने वाले हो, of course to buying up this kind of a flat which is worth 4 to 5 crore, it will take time. You and your wife or you and your husband, you have to work for the next 5 years, then maybe you can afford this house. See, first of all, for the next 3 years after your MBA, you won't be in a position to buy a house because you don't know what location क्या होने वाला है. You are going to be traveling abroad, traveling in India. Same way, those who are preparing for the MBA, you don't know which college you're going to get. Yeah, of course. Yeah, they will depend upon your hard work and everything. Then same way, after your MBA, you don't know the location because most of the private companies are going to throw you here and there, which you should do as well. You can't show नखरा कि नहीं मैं दिल्ली से बाहर नहीं जाऊँगा या मुंबई से बाहर नहीं जाऊँगा. This and that, you should be traveling. And so this is where I come down to walk. Whenever I'm brain fucked, I come down to walk. Yeah, I was out for last 10 days. I am coming home after almost 10 days. So finally after the lecture today, I got a chance to come down for a walk. I had a severe headache as well. So just came down. और मेरे को अच्छा लगा, मैंने ये फोटो खींच के डाला तो lot of people say it's very motivating and this and that. So that's why I'm making this video to motivate you कि भाई ये तुम्हारा future है 10 year down the line. Yeah, minimum 5 year down the line, yes, you'll be in a position to afford a own house. ठीक है, इनफैक्ट करना भी चाहिए. Okay, so this is something which I believe in. Yeah, so ये around 28-27 के आजू बाजू आके आपका एक ड्रीम होम होना चाहिए. Of course, yeah, you have to take this thing on loan only unless you ask your dad. My dad is a typical government employee. You can't ask my dad for the money to buy this kind of flat. अब dad देगा भी नहीं. डैड को है भी नहीं, देखा तो बात की बात है भी नहीं. सो यू हैव टू टेक अ लोन. या एंड देन स्टार्ट द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ पेइंग द लोन. नाउ बाइंग अ ह्यूज हाउस इज नॉट एवरीवन्स ड्रीम. यार पीपल हैव अ ड्रीम ऑफ बाइंग अ कार. माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही वेंट फॉर BMW after MBA. The moment he felt stable after 2-3 of MBA, he bought a BMW, just finished the loan of BMW and now he is planning to buy a house. तो अपने अपने सपने होते हैं. किसी का सपना है कार बाय करना, किसी का सपना है घर बाय करना, किसी का सपना है पेरेंट्स को खुश करना. ठीक है, आई एम श्योर सम पीपल आर गोइंग टू कमेंट नेगेटिव कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ डोंट फील नेगेटिव यार. दिस इज टू टेल यू द फ्यूचर कि 5 साल के बाद 10 साल के बाद यू विल बी लिविंग अ बेटर लाइफ देन दिस. ट्रस्ट मी यार. आई वॉज वेरी एवरेज. आई एम नॉट सुपर स्मार्ट. आई एम हार्ड वर्किंग. सो डू इट so that you can live in a better house.